Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Redwood Credit Union, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including your salary and any side jobs. List all your monthly expenses, separating them into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses cover groceries, entertainment, and miscellaneous spending. Next, calculate your total monthly income. Then, calculate your total monthly expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will show you how much money you have left over each month. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to cut back. Identify which variable expenses can be reduced. Consider setting spending limits for each category. Now, let's set financial goals. Think about your short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation. Consider your long-term goals, like buying a house or saving for retirement. Once your goals are defined, prioritize them based on urgency and importance. Next, create a budget plan. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to help track your spending. Allocate your income toward your fixed expenses first. Then, distribute funds to your variable expenses according to your limits. Leave room for savings in your budget. Aim to save at least 20% of your income if possible. Now, track your spending regularly to stay within your budget. Review your budget monthly to see if adjustments are needed. If you find certain categories consistently over or under budget, adjust accordingly. Take advantage of Redwood Credit Union's financial education resources. They offer workshops and online tools to help you manage your budget effectively. Utilize automatic transfers to savings to build your savings effortlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.